Okay, this is my cute little friend. So now we are going to the shop. Um, One thing we have planned to do some challenge, so we are going to buy some groceries. There's something special for her. Yeah, tell them.
So I got £20 on my birthday, so I'm gonna spend it.
So she had got £20 for a birthday, and so we are going to buy something from that £20. Let's see how many things we can buy, what we can buy. It's for her. Mostly, probably it must be toys, right? Like tell them some clues what you are gonna buy.
I might buy scrunchies,
Yeah, she wants to buy scrunchies, and then
toys.
what kind of toys?
I don't know. We'll find out.
Yeah, we'll find out if when we reach there. So yeah, let's go.
Bye.
See that, guys? It's Leeds Beckett University. Yeah, and that's the Tesco Express. Want this or this? This is one.
Yeah,
Okay.
these two. This would be good.
So this is a third item.
This one actually. Yeah, okay.
Okay, she's going to buy it. Happy. Is it?
Yeah.
Good. It's from Greg. Yeah, she's also done. So let's go. There are a lot of fidget toys. See this? Pull this. It's so stretchy. And see this.
Very squishy.
It's so squishy.
And this.
Whoa. See this, see this. Wait. Yeah. Yeah. So squishy. Hello guys, we have reached the Trinity Mall. So
We're gonna go to Primark and Claire's.
okay, yeah. She's gonna take me there. So we're going there.
I know where they are. Really.
Yeah, this is the mall. Let me show you. It's so beautiful actually. There's Mark and Spencer. All. See that? What's that? Horse. It looks like a horse. Where do you want to go? See, there are fidgets. See, there are scrunchies. Lots of scrunchies.
How much is it?
Like these kind of.
Oh, let's see. You pick mine.
Okay, she brought these many scrunchies. Yeah, 7 scrunchies. Yeah. So can we go there? Korean store.
Okay.
This is Minnesota. Let's keep all these.
You just go in.
Hey, what happened? Okay, start. 3, 2, 1. Okay, I got few. Wait, yes. There's one more.
No, I'm getting that.
It's getting pushed instead of getting eaten. Yes.
No, I do.
I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Not enough. Brush.
No, thank you.
See this. I don't know how much are these. Oh, one is for £10. So she spent almost £10, so still £10 are remaining. Let's see what she'll be getting. Yeah, Yeah, she got these many for 5 pounds. Yeah, it was right.
What the crap?
Sudha. Yeah, she has a big pocket. See that? Yeah. This is for 7 pounds. This is for 7 pounds.
Oh, that's.
Okay, she has this. You have this, right?
Yeah.
How much is this?
£20.
Oh. And the kid had that.
I'll just. £11.
5 pounds. This Lego is 5 pounds. This world looks different. All pink. Complete pink.
Look at this. Look at this.
Yeah. See this. It's so wiggly.
No. I don't think I will.
So you have to insert the £1 coin there, and then you need to, yeah, turn it. Complete. Yes. Done. I think she got one.
Yeah.
Yes, she got one.
Oh.
This is what she has got. Yeah, Ragini. Open it. Opened it finally. Yeah. What is this called? Yeah, this is also a fidget toy. She loves fidget toys. This is how she does. Ha! 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Hi.
I have lots of scrunchies.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have them all.
Yeah. One.
Look at this.
Yes. This is mine. Try दो. जैसा पता नहीं आपको पसंद आएगा. Try दो. Try. Oh, Indian. As it's weekend today, all are in pub right now, going to clubs, dancing, and see the all. Yeah. Fidget. Later we'll open them and show you guys.
Yeah,
So she brought this.
Basically, my birthday's.
Yeah, she's happy with this actually. Thank you very much. Yeah. So hello guys, finally we reached home after 5 hours of 5 hours of shopping, and yeah, she spent almost 19 pounds, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Nice. So today we went to Korean convenience store and we got this.
It's actually
Not me. So we're gonna try one. I'm at the strawberry one.
okay. She wants the pink one.
That's
So cute.
I think I've seen them before.
It's so tasty.
I like the strawberry one.
I like this as well.